Hello folks, today I'm going to talk about an important topic, NT-NB scan or nuchal scan. NT stands for nuchal translucency, NB stands for nasal bone, and in this test we look at NT, NB and certain flows. This helps us in predicting whether baby is at any high risk for any chromosomal, cardiac, infective or skeletal problem. If we find any problem with NT, NB or the flows, we will label that baby as high risk. Having a high risk means chances of having chromosomal, cardiac, skeletal or infective problem is high. But it doesn't mean this baby is having a problem. It only means probability of having chromosomal, cardiac, skeletal or infective problem is high. In the same way, when everything is normal, low risk, chances of having chromosomal, cardiac or skeletal or infective problem is low. But it doesn't mean that this baby cannot have a problem. So this test is only a filter which filters the pregnancy into high risk and low risk. Now the next question comes into the mind of patient is, doctor, why we do this test then? We are not able to tell you clearly this baby is having a problem or not a problem. So I tell my patient that this test is only like a filter which categorizes the pregnancy into high risk and low risk. To the high risk group, we offer further confirmatory tests. But these confirmatory tests are invasive in nature. We put a needle, take out the fluid. So to a high risk group, we offer a confirmatory test which might be an invasive test or a non-invasive like NIPT, which are quite expensive tests. To the low risk group, we will follow on routine ultrasound. So the categorization to high risk and low risk is dependent on this filter, which is this NT-NB test. So this NT-NB, if not done correctly, if this filter is having a lot of holes in it, then the purpose of all this test will be futile, which will be useless. So remember that a NT-NB scan has to be done from a certified lab which follows all the protocols for a good nuchal scan, because otherwise the categorization into high risk and low risk will be all wrong. Now this NT-NB test is able to predict 80% of the babies with Down syndrome, 20% are still missed. With this test we offer a double marker test which approximately picks 70% of the babies with Down syndrome and 30% babies are still missed on this test. But when we combine a good NT-NB, a good dual marker, we are able to pick 90% of the babies with Down syndrome. What I mean by good is standardized lab which follows all the protocols. So NT-NB scan has to be done from a certified lab. Dual marker has to be done from a certified lab. Otherwise, the sensitivity of 90% cannot be reached for picking up Down syndrome. The take-home message: get your NT-NB scan from a certified lab only. Remember.